a 400 square meter villa, scanned in just 12 minutes. Ready to support BIM modeling afterward. This project is a 400 square meters, unfinished villa in Nanjing, currently at the initial renovation measurement stage, with multiple floors, spacious rooms, staircases, door openings, wall layouts, and varying ceiling heights. The entire spatial relationship needs to be captured in a single survey. Using traditional methods, the team would typically measure each room individually, record dimensions, and verify the results, a process that takes around 2 hours. This time, team used the Share Slam S20 renovation scanner to capture the entire 400 square meters villa in just 12 minutes with a handheld scan. Once the scan was complete, the site was reconstructed as a point cloud. The point cloud can then be organized and exported in RCS format for import into Autodesk Revit as a reference for BIM modeling. Modelers can use the real site data to verify wall locations, floor elevations, door and window openings, and staircase geometry before placing architectural and structural elements. Instead of relying solely on manual measurements, the BIM workflow is supported by real-world spatial data that provides a reliable reference for further modeling. The Share Renovation Scanner helps streamline initial villa measurements, allowing designers to move into the BIM workflow sooner.